And it's now time for the business day. Worldwide reaction continues to pour in the day after U.S. President Donald Trump's announcement of an aggressive new tariff policy. Georgetown law professor Jennifer Hillman is one of the leading experts on trade law, having worked for many years with the United States International Trade Commission. Speaking on the CNN, she spoke about the risks of entering into what she deemed as another Great Depression era.
And the other part of it, I think that they're trying to some degree protect against is the recognition that these tariffs are highly regressive. Who has to pay the highest percentage of their income for buying imported goods that are now going to be higher priced is going to be low and moderate income people. So again, these are going to be very dramatic in terms of how much price increases they're causing. And they're trying to send the message of it will all be worth it in the end. And I think what you're hearing from many around the country is no, it won't.
She further questioned the push for all things being made in the United States.
It presumes that what it will do is cause everything to be made in America. And that is simply not a feasible outcome. I mean, there are many things that we will never make in America. We will never be significant growers of coffee or cocoa or avocados or bananas or lots of other things. There are certain other products that we will simply never be competitive at making. So we will always have to be importing some things. And this policy doesn't seem to recognize that that should ever be the case, that everything sold in America should be made in America. That is not reality.
In the meantime, all three major indices posted their worst days since 2020 on the U.S. stock market amidst fears that Trump's policy could trigger a global recession. The Dow lost 1,679 points, nearly 4% of value. The S&P 500 lost 4.8%, while the Nasdaq was down nearly 6%. And locally, the JSE index declined by 2,157 points today, while the junior market index advanced by 8 points. 36 stocks advanced today, including Epley 7.25%, Stanley Motor, 138 Student Living Variable Preference Shares, Regency Petroleum, Cygnus Real Estate Financial. There were 40 losers, including First Rock Real Estate Investment US dollar shares, 138 Student Living, Jetcon Corporation, Elite Diagnostics, and Omni Industries. 24 stocks traded firm. The Jamaican dollar suffered losses against all major currencies in foreign exchange trading today. Banks and cambios were selling the US dollar for an average $158.61. The Canadian dollar is being sold for $112.77. The pound is going for $205.85, while the euro is selling for an average $175.29. And that's it for the Business Day. Regional and international stories are next.
The Business Day, brought to you